Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must not cook a penguin, it's protected and illegal. Instead, you'll make a penguin-style roast using a 1-2-1, 8 kg chicken. It mimics texture and flavor. First, brine for 2-4 hours with 1/4 cup salt per 1/5 L water to season through. This step improves juiciness. Preheat oven to 200 degrees. Prepare a roasting pan with a rack. Once done brining, pat dry and rub with 2 tablespoons oil, salt, pepper, and chopped herbs to start the roast. Place the bird on the rack and roast at 200 degrees for the first 20 minutes to encourage browning. Once done, lower to 180 degrees and continue roasting. Check internal temperature with an instant read thermometer. Aim for 74 degrees in thickest part for poultry or 63 degrees if using fish. Baste every 15-20 minutes with pan juices or a butter citrus mix to keep skin crisp and meat moist. Make sure to tent with foil if the exterior browns too fast. Once the roast reaches temperature, remove and rest for 10-15 minutes. Resting equalizes juices so slices stay moist. Carve against the grain and serve with the pan juice, a squeeze of citrus and chopped herbs. For a playful theme, arrange pieces to resemble a penguin. If meat is dry, don't panic. Shred and mix with sauce for sandwiches, add to soup or stew, or serve with a rich gravy. If skin overbrowns, tent with foil earlier next time to prevent burning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.